Do you love succulents and enjoy taking pictures of them? Do you know that you can use those beautiful images and create products you can sell online without spending money on your inventory? You can even use one image and place it on multiple products. This is a side hustle you can do on your spare time that can become passive over time. You create once and keep selling without having to touch it. The site I use is Printify, and it is free to register. I will leave my affiliate link in the description below. Once registered, you can select from hundreds of products you can customize. What's even better, you do not need a capital or stock your own inventory. They will print only when there is an order and pack and ship the items for you. Here are the products I've created using this site. Do you find this interesting? Please like and follow for more.